How to fix can't post on threads. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix threads post not working issue. The first thing you want to do is troubleshoot your internet. So you want to make sure that you're connected with a stable internet. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and data and check. Also, open up any web browser and you want to check the speed of the internet. Make sure that there is no issue with the internet. Now, if your internet is working fine, then let's move on to the next step. Next thing you want to do is tap and hold on the Threads app and then tap on App Info. Now scroll down and tap on Storage, then tap on the Clear Cache option. Once that is done, you want to head back and then tap on the Force Stop option. Tap on OK. Once you do this, you can restart your device and check if the problem has been fixed. If it's still not fixed, then you want to open up Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar over here. Then you want to search for Threads. Now, if you find the update button over here, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. By updating the app, any bugs will be fixed in this application. You can also try to uninstall and reinstall the application and check as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.